CBSE has given us an opportunity to appear for the MCQ examination. Informatic practices being the most scoring subject. Let us take some MCQs of this subject now. So as you all can see that we have something called as a blank where we have to select how to create a series. We need a series function. The name of the variable is data with d as small. So if we follow the elimination policy, so here we have d as capital, this goes wrong. Here we have series s as small, this goes wrong. Here we are not making use of PD, that is the object of the pandas. So the correct answer is number D, right? Let's go to the next question. Here we have to create a series, and now the blank is to set the index. The blank is to set the index. The index I is small, so this goes wrong. If we talk about the next option, the value of the index must be in single inverted quotes or double inverted quotes. This goes wrong. It can't be in the form of a tuple. This goes wrong. So the answer is number D. Answers are somewhat similar looking options. So we have to keep these things in mind at the time of solving the paper. Let's see the next question. In this question, we have a blank where I am printing the series, creating the series with something over here. So what should be here? This should be the name of the data. That is the dictionary being used in this code. And this is clear cut. The data being used here is given in option. Yes, correct. In option D. Let's see question number 4. Here we have to give value 5 to the entire series, so that the output should come something like this. With all indexes like 0, 1, 2, 3, it should come something like this. So if I talk about this particular one, then what do I have is, I have an option where and is being used. So and we are not supposed to use. This goes wrong. If we talk about the first case, so we have the bracket issue. Dictionary is not being used. We are not supposed to give value in a form of a dictionary or list at this place. The direct value is supposed to be entered. So my answer is option number D. Question number 5. We have to create the array of numpy. We have to create the array of numpy. The numpy's arrays A is small. So this goes wrong. Numpy is not being used because we have something NP is created, which we are not using at this place. So NP now left at this place and is left at this place. Let's see the correct answer now. The correct answer is number D, because in the case of A, we are missing these parentheses, as an array is a special function. Let's see the next one. We have to use a range function. The correct syntax of range function is, since it is a function, so few values we can eliminate. That is, this one we can eliminate because this is not making use of parentheses. If we talk about the second option, once again, because we need to fill at 2 places, this goes wrong. Now the answer is coming till 14. Means if I'm going to select 14, answer will come till 13. This goes wrong. So I'm left with option A, which is the correct option in this case. Let's see the next question. Question number 7 in the same row. Here we have a blank where I have to re-index the above series, so that the output should somewhat come in this manner. Instead of having the output in this manner, that is Raj, Ankur and Harsh, I wish to have Harsh, Raj and Ankur. So I need to use reindex function. The reindex function is a function which is supposed to have the name as reindex. So this one goes as index. It's wrong. P cannot be used once again as an argument. We are not making use of any colon symbol at this place. So the answer is reindex, option number, yes, B. Let's see the next one. Now we have to assign the new index. we have to assign the new index at this place, new index value. So this is nothing like re-index. The values are to be given in the form of collection. There is no collection. Here we have tuple. So the direct answer is number A. Here we have now two blanks as per the output given, because the expected output is given. Many a times you'll be having that the expected output is this. Now try and find or select the best available alternatives. In the first blank, what are we going to write? In the second blank, what are we going to write? So in the first blank, since it shows the color name, so the color name is something like where I'm supposed to give name. So this is the onlyest place where the name is available. So an easy one. The last question in the same set. Now we have to display top 5 records. Means we have head. Head is given in all the places. But if we have studied properly, then we know that the H of head is small. So we are going to strike off these two. We have to select 5 records. 5 is given here, but this is tricky. This is making use of square bracket. The correct answer is number B, right? Hope you all were able to solve the questions. We'll be having more questions in the same series very soon. Thank you for watching.